Hi Chakits, I have been following you and watching your YouTube channel for years.
I have decided to finally relocate to Las Vegas and want to start a new chapter in my life. I know you're the perfect realtor to help guide me to find my next dream home. I am looking for a modern kitchen, large backyard with a pool and a golf course community.
My name is Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, a licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. I help buyers like this all the time, so if you're looking for a licensed professional, give us a call at 702-319-1092 or visit lvhomeexperts.com. Buying a home starts here. Hey, what's up everybody? If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Krulsawat, licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So today, I wanted to share with you guys a brand new community by KB Homes, and it's called Nighthawk at Summerlin. So I wanted to show this and share this with you because I think this is important because this is a brand new community that just popped up in Summerlin, and I just got an email on it. And this community here is actually located in the Summerlin area on the west side of the Las Vegas Valley here. So let me show you exactly where we're at. So here's the Las Vegas Strip. And give me just a second here. Here we go. So here's the Las Vegas Strip right here. This is the west side. So the property and the community is located on the west side of Summerlin. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. And as you can see, you have Summerlin Parkway, which they're going to go ahead and build this road all the way through. And then we have Lake Mead, which will come through. So this new community is going to be located right about here, right off Summerlin Parkway. Now, this is expected to be open on December 3rd at 10 a.m., which is the pending grand opening. However, with the pending grand opening, agents and also clients are able to go, but appointments need to be set. And we talked about this. If you ever end up buying in like a brand new tract home, you want to be one of the first, right? But there's pros and cons to it. Now, when you do buy first in a tract, you won't be able to spend that much more in upgrades, because the home won't appraise. However, the benefit to this is that you're buying at the lowest price point because builders tend to increase the price as they go along. Now, the price range is going to be anywhere from the low 500s all the way up to the high 600,000. They have a total of 192 home sites ranging approximately from 3,271 square feet all the way up to 5,680 square feet, and that's actually the lot size. Now, the floor plans, for the two-story floor plans, the ranges is going to be 1,720 square feet all the way up to 2,466 square feet. Now, with the new master plan fees of Summerlin, which they have increased it pretty dramatically now, it started off at $42, $48. Now it's at $55 a month just for the master plan fee. The HOAs for Nighthawk community is going to be $85 a month. That's right, $85 a month. Now they're going to have a gated entry, and they're also going to have like a park arena type seating, okay, which is kind of cool. Now there is a balance of SIDs. And what are SIDs? Special Improvement District. This is where the county has to come in and run the sewage lines, run the utility lines to the property. Now, it doesn't say what the balance is per parcel. However, you will be making a payment, a semi-annual payment of $270, okay? HOA includes estimate, SIDs and LIDs, Special Improvement District assessments, gives you approximately a total of roughly about $185. So this includes your SIDs and LIDs, HOAs, and your master plan. Now, they have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 home sites that will be released. Homesites can range anywhere from $3,000 all the way up to $66,000, believe it or not. Now, it looks like Homesites, 3 of them have currently already sold. So this is just new hitting the market. Now, I want to show you what this actually looks like here. So give me a second. Move my screen. And let's change the screen. So here's a mock rendering of how the home will look. But typically with KB homes, all the models and all the floor plans are pretty much all the same. They never really change the design except the exterior of the home. Now, as you can see, the exterior on these are a lot cleaner, more modern, more streamlined than KB's traditional type of homes with the clay tiles. These are straight tiles, which is really nice. They definitely have some nice lining, some cladding here. So this is definitely going to be an upgrade. They have some new pavers. Excuse me. Now let's take a look at the models here. So as you can see, these are pretty much all the same models that they have throughout the whole Las Vegas Valley, like I said. So you have the 1720 model, and this one starts off at $510,000. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. So we have the 1780. That's $515. The 2069 model at $530. Then we have the 2089 model at $537. And we have the 2114 at $540. Now here's my favorite model, which is the 2466 model, which is $565,000. But as you can see, you do have an option to upgrade to 4 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 bath to 4 baths, right? Let's take a look at the details here. Take a look at some of the elevations, what they have to offer. So here's the layout. So as you can see, you walk in, you got the entry, you got the den here, and then we have the great room. However, you have some options. You can do the covered patio for a charge. Now, some of these covered patios here could run you up to about $24,000. Now, I definitely would do the doors here. And also, let's add a fireplace. Upper kitchen cabinets. You definitely need the upper kitchen cabinets. Double doors in the den. Now, this is more of an option. Now, with this floor plan, because I said this is like one of my favorite floor plans, for the den downstairs, I would actually change this into a bedroom, but also have the French doors or the double doors. So let's see here. Shelving office. So let's go here. Oh, that's for the second bedroom. Elevation for the first floor. Shower in lieu of the bath. Let's see what else you can do. All right. So that's the first floor. I guess you can't make this into a bathroom. You should have been able to make this a bathroom. Where am I at here? Okay, disable configuration. Okay, here we go. There we go. There's a configuration I was looking for. So it didn't let me do the double doors, obviously. But as you can see, now it changes the downstairs to a 5th bedroom. Then you have this full bath. Then underneath the staircase, you will have your walk-in closet. Now, if you buy this home, this is the best spec that you can actually do, believe it or not, okay? Because you're going to get your money back. However, you don't have to do a fireplace, but I definitely would do a fireplace. Now, let's take a look at the second floor. How do we spec out the second floor? So, second floor, a couple things that I would do. Let's take a look at this 4th bedroom. I talked about this all the time, okay? On the 4th bedroom, because now you have 1, 2, 3, 4 bedrooms upstairs, and now you have this loft, okay? We have a bathroom that service bedrooms 2 and 3. I definitely would do a double sink right here, right? So let's do bedroom 4. Let's see here. Shower in lieu of the tub. Okay. Now, if you have kids, I would definitely do the tub. Now, it really just depends, right? If you have family that's already, or kids that are already older, then I would just do the tub, but it's a case-by-case basis. You definitely have to do the double vanities. However, I would definitely spec it out with that. Now, I'm going to go to the 4th bedroom with the 4th bath. Watch this 4th bedroom here. This right here is a walk-in closet, and this is a pretty large bedroom. I would definitely do the add value by changing this into the 4th bath. Closet comes here on the side. Now you have these 2 bedrooms, the service for this bathroom here. Then we have this loft. The primary. The primary, you have a couple options. I would definitely do a door at the primary, right? Because I think this is important. Now, another thing you can add, let's see here, double doors at the primary. You don't have to do this, but this is what it looks like. But now, did you see that linen closet got a little bit smaller? I prefer not to. I don't feel like you need to, but it's a case-by-case basis. However, if I was going to spec out this home, this is definitely the way I would spec it out. And if you wanted to add, windows in bath 4, you have that option right here. But I probably would, add that window so that way you bring in some light. Now, let's take a look at some of these elevations here. Let's see what kind of elevations they have. Elevation B. So, as you can see, elevation B and C kind of changes the exterior of that home. Now, let's go back here. Let's see if we can take a look at the elevation. So, this is elevation A. Typically on elevation A, it's free, right? Now, when you start to do some stucco design here, as you can see, it's starting to look a little bit more nice. This takes a little bit of time, labor costs, so they're going to charge you on that. I mean, if you're going to spend this kind of money at this point, especially up in the Summerlin area, you might as well get something with some cladding right here, which is really nice. Now, you do also have the option to do the exterior color, but as you can see, the front exterior here, remember how we changed the elevation? This actually changes all this right here. All these pop out. So it's just something to keep in mind. But I definitely would go with something like this, but it would definitely cost you money. Now, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, I would highly encourage you to subscribe to the channel. And I do apologize where I have not made video home tours for a while. It's probably been about 5 days, and the reason why is because we've been so busy, especially with all the holidays that's coming around. So I'm going to try to get out there. I'm going to try to hustle up, get you guys some videos. Other than that, if you guys like more content like this, let me know in the comments below. Other than that, talk to you later. Peace. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.